What if I told you AI could grow your money faster than your 9 to 5, and you don't even need to lift a finger? In this video, I'm revealing the top 3 AI-powered investment strategies that are helping Americans build serious wealth in 2025. Whether you're just starting out or already investing, these tools are changing the game. Strategy 1. Robo-advisors 2.0 platforms like Betterment and Wealthfront have evolved. They now use advanced machine learning to personalize your portfolio based on your goals, risk tolerance, and market conditions. They automatically rebalance your investments and optimize for tax efficiency, saving you time and potentially outperforming traditional advisors. It's like having a Wall Street analyst in your pocket. Strategy 2. AI stock screeners tools like Sigma and Tickeron use predictive analytics to scan thousands of stocks and identify hidden gems before they pop. They analyze earnings reports, market sentiment, and technical indicators in real time. If you're a DIY investor who wants an edge, this is your secret weapon. Strategy 3. Finally, AI-powered ETFs. Funds like QRAFT and AIEQ use algorithms to select holdings dynamically based on market trends, economic data, and even social media signals. These funds are outperforming traditional ETFs and attracting serious attention from Wall Street. It's passive investing, but smarter. So, which AI strategy are you most excited to try? Drop a comment below. I read every one. And if you want more finance hacks, investing tips, and passive income strategies, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Let's build wealth smarter, not harder. Thanks for watching, and remember, the future of money is intelligent.